welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. Today it's a great news for Android lovers, wherein Android has launched its new update, which is called Android 9P. Now, this is one of the most important updates of Android which people were expecting. And for Android to come and launch this and declare it's coming, it's a great news for phone lovers. So, what exactly are the benefits of Android 9 Pie? What are the different changes which it has brought to the user interface and how it is going to make your life simple and easy? In this video, we will learn all about these things and understand the importance of this software upgrade on Android. So let us begin by just going through the basic and the important features of this Android update. The first and the most important uh, usage of this software is it will monitor your usage and will accordingly use artificial intelligence, which is one of the most prominent form of intelligence used by different companies to build up new features, new apps. So next time when you do an activity, when you open an app on your mobile, this usage will be monitored through artificial intelligence. And this software upgrade, which is Android 9 Pie, will help you enhance your productivity. So how it will happen, how it will do these changes and play an important role in your life, we will discuss this. So we will discuss the 9 reasons why Android 9P is going to be the biggest change in the history of mobile phones. So as I've already talked about, it'll be all about artificial intelligence. It'll make your usage of your mobile phone smarter, simple, which will adapt you, how you use your mobile phone. That's the biggest feature of this Android update. Some of the most important key features which Android has released today is it'll adjust less, it'll scroll less, it'll tap less, and it'll charge less. So in a way, it'll not only improve the performance of your phone, but will also improve your own productivity. Now, how it'll do that? Intelligence. It'll give better performance by using adaptive battery technology, by using adaptive brightness. Depending upon the time of the day, it'll monitor your app usage and will give you suggestions on when and how you should use a particular app. How cool is that? It'll also have a great feature for you to search on any topic on your mobile phone using slices. It'll have a simple user interface, one single home button, so you'll not have multiple buttons. This feature itself will make your life simple. Gestures will play an important role in Android 9 Pie update. Copy and search about any subject will be more easy. And the most important feature, which I've already spoken about, is the digital well-being. It will give your phone performance, live phone performance to you at every second. You will have a dashboard where you can see the health of your phone, which app you're using most at what time. It will monitor and control your usage. As I've already spoken about, it'll be a great factor for improving your productivity. So many a times we don't realize how much social media we use, but by using this software upgrade, you'll be able to monitor and control that usage. For example, if you want to sleep at night at 11:30, most of the times when we start using a phone at the night, we don't even realize when 2 hours have gone by. But with this feature, you have a wind down mode in which your screen will become black and white. So it'll itself force you to go to sleep, and hence it'll make you wake up early in the morning. How cool is that? So let us go and discuss all the 9 important features of Android 9P, which is going to make your life simple and easy. First is a fresh new look and notifications. Now, Google is using rounded corners everywhere it can. A swipe down to the view notification tray and quick settings to give you a good idea of where Android is heading. Aesthetically, it is going to make your user experience very simple and cool. The second reason is officially dark mode. There is a dark mode which you can use while going to the setting app, which will be very useful when you are using your phone in good lighting conditions or in bad lighting conditions. No stopping the notch. As bezels get smaller, some Android phones are adopting a notch at the top of the screen to accommodate sensors like the latest iPhone 10. Fourth is the useful screenshot tools. Now, Android Pie users can gain a new edit feature. As soon as your screenshot is saved, a preview notification will display an edit button. Now, selecting edit will open a markup tool for you to draw, crop, or highlight the screenshot before sharing it. As I've already spoken about, you'll get a dashboard. It's a program which is still quite ready for broad rollout, but it'll certainly have a great impact. It'll help you to monitor your phone usage. Fixes the gesture navigation. With Android Pie, you will now have the option to ditch Android's traditional 3 button navigation, and with cool gestures, with just hand movements and blinking of your eye, you can use many of the features of your mobile phone. The seventh important feature is lockdown mode for extra security. There is a new feature which locks down your device with a push of a button, so your phone will be more secure for extra security, which is anyways needed these days. Eighth is rotate only when you want. Instead of just locking your phone down vertically or in portrait mode, Android Pie will display a button to force the screen rotation if it detects your phone has changed orientation. So no matter how you put your phone, whether it's landscape or portrait mode, you can have that option to make that decision through a push of a button. And the most important update is battery status on your ambient display. Your battery will be managed through the software very efficiently. So I'm sure this video has shared a great light about this new upgrade which Android is bringing. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please share and press the like button. You can also press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.